I'll show you which is better, Descript or Final Cut Pro for Mac. Now, the answer is honestly pretty simple. It depends. If I ask you which is better, food or water, both of them is nice, right? But which one you think is better or which one you'd like right now depends on the situation. If you're hungry, you'll go for the food. If you're thirsty, you'll go for water, right? And this is the same thing for Descript and Final Cut Pro. Now, I actually have Descript open up right here, right? And Descript is a editing software that's very focused on easy editing, right? So it's for someone who doesn't have any editing experience before and want to edit videos like they do slides here, right? So for example, here you can see the editing is very simple, right? You can get automatic transcription here. You can also add musics. If I change anything on the video here, like for example, if I change this in this video, I'm gonna delete this, right? It'll delete it on the video as well. So when someone says in this video and I delete it on the transcription as well, the video will now be gone as well, right? So it's a very, very, very easy method of editing video. See, if I, for example, if I delete YOL here, see, it'll automatically select the audio part of the you'll learn part here. And if I delete the text here, it'll automatically cut out the you'll learn part there as well. Now, on Descript here as well, there's layer, there's scene, there's project. You can also record your voice and face directly and inject them into the product. And of course, it's very user friendly, right? But it's a high floor, low ceiling kind of editing software. It's very easy to get started, but you can't really improve a lot into the more advanced editing technique. And for some people, that's fine because they don't want to edit anything very, very, very complex. They just want something simple that gets the work done, right? So if you want something simple, something that's easy, and you're new to editing, go for Descript. But if you're looking to do something more professional, like you want to do color grading, you want to do green screen, you want to do voice isolation, things like that, then of course Final Cut Pro 11 is the obvious choice to do, right? It's unrivaled pro performance, editing, audio, motion graphics, color grading, and delivery. It's a very heavy editing software and it's only for Mac, right? And your Mac has to be a good version, of course, as well, right? There's also 3D here, I think. Me, myself, I've never personally used Final Cut Pro since I don't really have a Mac, but I do have heard that Final Cut Pro is the one software that most YouTubers use to edit their videos, right? You can see this is the performance of the dynamic range here. You can see it's very, very, very good like this. But of course, it's very hard to use as well. There is definitely a learning curve for you to be able to use Final Cut Pro effectively rather than Descript. With Descript, it's kind of like a pickup and you can already use it pretty good. But for Final Cut Pro, you definitely need time to learn. You need to watch YouTube tutorials. You need to learn on your own time as well. You need to practice. But the end product of you learning Final Cut Pro will definitely be worth it. But again, in the end, it depends on what you need. If you need something simple, something fast, go for Descript. If you want something professional and you have the time to learn and the time to commit, then of course, Final Cut Pro is your go-to choice. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.